Hi there. This is what your annotated bibliography should look like. As you can see, it's in MLA formatting with the header and the heading and a title, which you'll all have the same title, annotated bibliography. There's double spacing throughout. What's a little different about an annotated bibliography is that you begin, instead of having your citation, this is your citation of the source, the information that allows me to go and find the source. The citation comes at the beginning before the summary. Okay, so this is the citation, this is the summary here, and you'll be following the summary directions that you've been following all semester. And then you repeat, because your annotated bibliography is going to have 3 or 4 sources. I can't quite remember if it has 3 or 4 sources, but your homework this week will have 2 summaries, and so it should look just like this model annotated bibliography with 2 citations followed by 2 summaries.